Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute girl with brown hair. So you can see that I'm using my thin black pen to draw a cute girl with brown hair. I'm drawing her hair first. Now let's draw her face. Here's her hairbands. Let's complete her eyes. Now let's draw her ponytail. Okay, now let's draw her hands. She's wearing a top and skirt. Now I'm drawing her shoes. Let's draw her tie. I'll be drawing an oval here. And these are some grasses. Here's a tiny heart shape. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. To color her hair, I'm using my brown pen. I'm using my red pen. I'm using my red highlighter pen. I'm using my brown pen again. In her skirt, I'm using my old red pen. I'm using my red pen again. I'm using my gray pen. I'm using yellow pen. I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my red pen again. To color her skin, I'm using my pale orange colored pencil. I'm using my green pen in her eyes. I'm using my green highlighter pen. I'm using my dark green colored pen. Wow, she's looking really cute. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.